साहब, सैयद कसम अली शाह साहब, अरशद खान साहब and Hamidur Rahman साहब. Resolution: whereas peace, stability and regional cooperation constitute indispensable prerequisites for the long-term security of Pakistan, its sustainable development, economic prosperity and enhanced standing in the Committee of Nations, and whereas Imran Khan, founder, chairman of Pakistan Tehreek Insaf and former Prime Minister of Pakistan, consistently educated and foreign policy framework grounded in dialogue, diplomatic engagement and peaceful coexistence among states, and whereas during his tenure as Prime Minister, Pakistan under his leadership play a constructive role in the advancing regional peace efforts, including facilitation of understanding, contribution to the Doha process aimed at the cessation of prolonged conflict in Afghanistan, and undertook initiative to promote meaningful engagement between regional actors, thereby reinforcing Pakistan's potential as a bridge builder in international diplomacy. And whereas his landmark initiative of opening the Kartarpur corridor stand as historic gesture of interfaith harmony, religious tolerance and enhanced people-to-people connectivity, while his consistent articulation of the principle that Pakistan shall remain a partner in peace and not in conflict, continue to provide a guiding orientation for dignified and balanced foreign policy. And whereas notwithstanding his present incarceration, the vision and political philosophy espoused by him for peace, dialogue and regional stability continue to find resonance in national discourse, and the proposed Islamabad Peace Dialogue presents a timely opportunity to further strengthen efforts for regional harmony through structure and sustained diplomatic engagement. Therefore, the Provincial Assembly of Khaibar Pختونخواہ resolves to reaffirm its support for the Islamabad Peace Dialogue as a meaningful and constructive initiative aimed at the promotion of peace, regional stability and sustained diplomatic engagement in the region. The Assembly records its appreciation of the contribution of Mr. Imran Ahmed Khan Niazi, founder chairman PTI, in consistently promoting dialogue-based diplomacy and a peace-oriented foreign policy, and reaffirms that his long-standing advocacy for political dialogue as the sole viable means for human suffering constitutes durable peace, coupled with his caution that conflict aggregates poverty and human suffering, constitutes a coherent and enduring framework relevant to contemporary peace efforts. Furthermore, the Assembly is of the considered view that in order to enhance the inclusivity, credibility and effectiveness of the Islamabad Peace Dialogue, it will be appropriate that his vision, experience and political mandate as a significant stakeholder are duly acknowledged and meaningfully reflected in the consultative and deliberative process aimed at advancing regional peace, stability and socio-economic well-being. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you. The motion before the House is that the resolution moved by the Honourable Member may be passed. Those who are in favour of it may say yes. Those who are against it may say no. As have it, the resolution is passed unanimously.